Hey Prep Home fam, ready to turbocharge your kitchen game with the coolest, cheapest, and most clever gadgets of 2025? Today, we're diving into 20 mind-blowing kitchen tools from Temu that'll change the way you cook, prep, and serve without breaking the bank. Whether you're a busy pro, a home chef, or just love kitchen tech, these finds are next-level awesome. And hey, all the links to snag these beauties are down in the description, so stay tuned. Say goodbye to those dreaded boilovers with the spill stopper, a flower-shaped silicone lid designed to handle high temperatures and stop messes before they happen. Its genius rotating design lets steam escape safely while keeping your stovetop spotless. Perfect for home cooks who want less cleanup and more cooking joy, it's like a safety net for every simmer and boil. Imagine whipping up pasta sauce without pacing back and forth or worrying about spills on your stove. Plus, it doubles as a freshness cover, keeping your food sealed and ready for later. Spill Stopper isn't just smart, it's a kitchen lifesaver with a fun floral twist. Get ready to impress at your next autumn feast with the Flower Moon Cake Mold Set. This DIY mold and stamp combo lets you create stunning flower-shaped mooncakes with intricate designs that scream artisan baker vibes. It's a must-have for festive bakers or anyone wanting to elevate their pastry game. Imagine crafting perfect mooncakes with customized fillings for family gatherings or gifting homemade treats that wow. Plus, the molds are super easy to use and clean, making traditional mooncake magic totally accessible. Fun bonus? You can switch out stamps for endless design creativity. Talk about edible art. Meet the foldable strainer, the multitasking marvel that's a strainer, colander, and storage bowl all rolled into one compact design. Its clever fold-flat feature makes it a dream for small kitchens or anyone who hates clutter. Whether you're washing fruits, draining pasta, or holding chopped veggies, this durable plastic strainer saves time and space like a pro. Perfect for busy families or apartment chefs juggling limited counter room. Picture rinsing berries and then folding the strainer flat to slide it into your drawer. Instant kitchen ninja move. Plus, the handy handle keeps it stable, so no slips while you multitask. Say hello to the immersion blender that's basically a Swiss Army knife for your kitchen. With 1,000 watts of power and 20 speed settings, this handheld blender doesn't just puree, it whips, chops, and even kneads dough thanks to its handy dough hooks and whisk attachments. Perfect for home chefs who crave versatility without cluttering their countertop with multiple appliances. Imagine making a silky soup, whipping cream, and kneading a quick batch of dough all with one sleek gadget. Bonus fun, it comes with an 800 milliliter beaker and 600 milliliter chopper, so meal prep feels effortless and mess-free. Tired of cold food during dinner parties or long meals? The kitchen food warming mat is your new best friend. This fast-heating silicone electric tray keeps dishes warm with 4 adjustable temperature levels, and its raised feet protect your table from heat damage. Ideal for anyone who loves hosting or just hates reheating food repeatedly, it's perfect for buffets, potlucks, or family dinners. Picture setting your hot plates right on the mat, serving fresh, steaming food all night long. And here's a neat twist. It rolls up for easy storage, making it super portable for picnics or camping trips. Craving homemade ice cream without the fuss? The Susti's home ice cream maker lets you whip up creamy, dreamy ice cream, smoothies, and even yogurt with zero hassle. Its separate design keeps ingredients fresh and makes cleaning a breeze. Great for families with kids, summer parties, or anyone who loves custom flavors. This gadget transforms your kitchen into an ice cream parlor. Imagine mixing your favorite fruits, pouring in the cream, and minutes later, enjoying fresh, cold dessert tailored just how you like it. Fun fact, it's a perfect gift idea that screams cool for the holidays. Meet the Evolup Rapid Egg Cooker, your all-in-one egg wizard that nails hard-boiled, poached, or even omelets perfectly every single time. With a 6-egg capacity and BPA-free design, This electric cooker auto shuts off for safe, hands-free breakfast prep. Ideal for busy mornings when you want protein on the table fast without babysitting the stove. Imagine tossing in eggs before your shower and coming back to perfectly cooked eggs ready to slice or mash. Here's a fun twist. It's so versatile you can steam veggies or even make mini frittatas. Talk about excellence in the kitchen. If dumplings are your jam but folding them is a pain, the electric dumpling maker is here to save dinner time. This rechargeable automatic dumpling machine cranks out perfectly shaped dumplings fast. Up to 1,500 dumplings on a full charge. Perfect for families, party hosts, or anyone who loves homemade but hates the tedious folding. Imagine prepping fillings, loading the machine, and watching it pump out perfect pockets in minutes, freeing you up to focus on sauces or sides. Bonus perk? It's compact and easy to clean, so dumpling day becomes a fun family tradition without the mess. Nothing screams summer like fresh watermelon, but cutting one can be a sticky, slippery hassle. Enter the quick and safe watermelon cutter, a stainless steel cube slicer that dices your melon into neat bite-sized cubes in seconds. Ideal for fruit salad lovers, party hosts, or anyone wanting mess-free fruit prep. Picture slicing watermelon effortlessly at your next barbecue or picnic. No more juice strips or uneven chunks. Bonus fun, it's dishwasher safe and doubles as a melon baller for creative fruit presentations that wow guests. Say goodbye to boring, irregular ice cubes with this silicone mold that churns out up to 60 perfectly shaped ice cubes at once. Whether you're jazzing up cocktails, iced coffees, or keeping your water bottle cool all day, these cubes add a sleek, uniform touch to any drink. Ideal for party hosts, mixologists at heart, or anyone who loves that satisfying click of ice in their glass. Imagine prepping a whole tray for your next gathering and watching guests marvel at your chill skills. Plus, the flexible silicone means popping out cubes is quick and painless. Cheers to that. Shredding cooked chicken can be a workout, but the chicken shredder turns that tedious task into a twist and shred breeze. Designed with an anti-slip grip, a transparent lid, and even a cleaning brush, it's perfect for shredding chicken, beef, or any meat in seconds. Great for busy home chefs, meal preppers, or families looking to whip up shredded chicken tacos, salads, or soups without the hassle. Picture tossing cooked chicken inside, twisting the handles, and voila, perfectly shredded meat ready to go. Busy mornings just got easier thanks to the microwave omelet maker, a non-stick plastic pan designed to cook eggs quickly and cleanly right in your microwave. Perfect for on-the-go professionals, college students, or anyone who loves a fast breakfast without the fuss. Imagine cracking your eggs, adding veggies or cheese, and popping it in the microwave for a few minutes. Voila! Fluffy omelets with zero pan scrubbing. Plus, it's made from non-toxic materials and easy to clean, making it a total win-win for quick, healthy starts to your day. Beat the heat with the hand-shaved ice maker, a manual, large-capacity ice crusher, perfect for homemade snow cones, slushies, and smoothies. No batteries or plugs required, just good old-fashioned elbow grease. Ideal for summer parties, family fun days, or anyone craving refreshing icy treats without the fancy machine price tag. Picture crushing ice by hand, adding your favorite syrups, and serving up beach vibes right from your kitchen. Bonus, it doubles as a smoothie maker too, so you can blend frozen fruits and ice together for a naturally sweet chill-out session. Say hello to Kitchen Bliss with this 48-piece food storage container set that includes 24 containers and 24 matching lids. Each container is airtight, easy to seal, and comes with handy labels and a marker, perfect for pantry organization, meal prepping, or packing lunches on the go. Great for busy families, home chefs who batch cook, or anyone tired of cluttered cabinets. Imagine prepping a week's worth of meals, labeling everything clearly, and enjoying a perfectly organized fridge. Fun bonus, these containers are stackable, saving you precious kitchen space while keeping food fresh. Never run out of ice again with this sleek countertop ice maker that churns out 9 cubes in just 6 minutes. Portable and self-cleaning, it comes with an ice scoop, basket, and handle. Perfect for home bars, parties, or camping trips. Ideal for cocktail lovers, entertainers, or anyone who wants convenience without hauling bags of ice. Picture having fresh, bullet-shaped ice ready whenever thirst strikes, keeping your drinks chilled to perfection. And here's a cool twist. Its compact design fits easily on any kitchen counter, making it as stylish as it is practical. And there you have it, Prep Home Squad. 15 super affordable kitchen gadgets from Temu that bring innovation, style, and serious convenience to your cooking space in 2025. Whether you're after mess-free cooking, speedy prep, or simply cool tools to up your kitchen game, these picks have got you covered. Don't forget, all the product links are right there in the description, so check them out and grab your favorites. Thanks so much for watching Prep Home, and as always, happy cooking and gadget hunting.